Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to share any files from your iPhone into your iPhone using the app from the App Store. Usually if you are using Airdrop, it is limit if you have like a larger file, but within this app it offer you like you can transfer unlimited size, so any video, any image or any file. And one more thing, it also support on iOS 9, which means on iPhone 4S. So if you take a look on the iPhone 4S, there is no airdrop on iOS 9, but you should be able to share your image from your older iPhone into your new iPhone as well. So now let me go ahead and show you how it works. And basically you need to connect to the same network. So on my iPhone 4S I connect to the Wi-Fi, and then on my iPhone XR it also connect to the same Wi-Fi network as well. And then you need to both phone need to have the same apps. So now let me open it, and then I'm gonna transfer image from this iPhone into my iPhone XR. So all I have to do, I need to click on this button. And if you are sending from this phone to this iPhone, you need to make sure you select on send, so you are the sender, and then this phone will be the receiver. Click on this button and then click on receive, and then it is looking for each other, so you're gonna wait. So now I'm gonna connect to the phone, so select on it, select both at the same time. So now let me transfer this image, so let me click on send, and then just wait for a few seconds. And now you can see this image has been sent into the other iPhone, so you can see it is pop up on the top. And that's it. And if you want to transfer video, it is the same thing. Select on the video, or if you want to transfer file, select on file, just like that. And thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you, and then I will see you guys in the next one.